Y'all already know what it is, man. Back with another mother loving video. And today, man, what we doing is one rod, one bobber, one hook, one case of worms. And I think these like half gone. We're doing power hour with bluegill. We're gonna see how many bluegill we can catch in 1 hour. Y'all stay tuned, man. Y'all stay tuned with us on Power Hour for Bluegill. But you already know. Like, comment, subscribe, man. Smash that notification button, all that good stuff, so you got something in common with everybody, man. But until then, oh, let's get into this action. So, bomb, y'all see? We got a couple little worms. They've been in the refrigerator for a while. Somebody probably froze little wormies. I don't know. I can see them, but yeah, we're finna get into it. Bluegill candy, finna catch the bass candy. Nah, but you already know what it is, It's finna go crazy. I got another fishing over there. I'm pretty sure he's fishing. Probably fishing for some bass. Put him on that big one. Chat, this is the smallest bass ever, chat. Look at this. This is the smallest bass ever, chat. That's crazy. Look at my guy. He is the smallest bass ever, chat. This is number 2 for Power Hour, guys. Second in the hour, first to bass. It's a little bluegill. Thought you were going somewhere. Sorry, buddy. Sorry, buddy. Dang, come on out of there. There you go. Still got my one. Let's go. Oh. Thought I seen it gone already. I know I'm not crazy. I seen bass. Oh. Dang. Maybe I set that hook too hard. I think I might have ripped that lip a little bit too hard, y'all. You take the worm off of it? I still see something on there. Let's add more worms, guys. You can tell these they not healthy. These boys like, I ain't ate in 2 years yet. These ain't thin. Money cat right here. Ooh. Where's the bluegills? Number 3. This one look a little different. Y'all, what is this? I need a tweezer. And I will give you that for participating. Oh, and this too. You got this too. Yeah, take all that. Y'all, what type of fish is this though? Huh? Pretty colors. Well, I gotta get in the sun, y'all. Y'all, what type this is? What this is? This thing Britifer. This thing is Britifers. Let's go catch some more. Yeah, that boy swallowed that thing. That's 3 for Power Hour, guys. That's right over there by them bass. And that's what I want to eat this. One of them little baby bass. I know the way that hit that ain't no bass. I'm finna go ahead and bring this in, recast this out. I don't like the area. Let it in. Up, drop real quick right here, see if I get some. No, I ain't getting that. I'm gonna keep going, don't keep going, don't keep going. Don't keep going, don't keep going. I'll stop fucking with them. So we up 3 in Power Hour, guys. We up 3. Oh, y'all seen that? As soon as that thing went down. Maybe I'm setting this hook too hard. Got one. Oh, this a little bass, sea bass. Yeah, this a little bass, sea bass. Yup. It's a little bass, y'all. Little bass came to participate. Little bass said, don't have all the fun on me. I want to be caught too. Hey, old buddy. Bruh, stop. That's why you got to keep them gloves on you. I heard that in the top of your mouth. And I want my worm back. You don't get nothing for participating. Here go a little bass bigger than the other one. Yeah. Pretty colors. Appreciate you, my boy. Been trying to get one of y'all to bite all day. All day. I know when that thing get to running, that's a bass. That's a bass boy. Yep, it's a bass boy. Tell your friends come party too, but I really want to see your daddy. I want to talk to Paw Paw. Threw it in that same spot. They know Lenny just left. It's like, we're not eating nothing till we see Lenny come back. I just seen something. Let me move it this way and further. Is they feeding? Y'all hungry? No, that still didn't help. I need to get it closer to the shore. Ain't nothing going on around here. They're gonna keep it a bean with you. Keep it a bean with you. Oh, dang. Don't get no. Oh, wow. Did y'all see that? That thing tried to attack the bobber. Don't start eat the worm under it. Oh, that's why they don't want it. We're gonna throw it out there one more time. That boy tried to take the bobber, didn't he? That boy tried to take the bobber. Y'all just caught a fish, but I was on the phone with my wife, so blame her for why we didn't catch it on film. I don't know if we're up 3 or up 4. I don't know. We're gonna have to review the tape. I'm trying to see if I can catch something on this last little piece of pole worm if I add some more worm to it and go to another lake. The bite cool over here. I just feel like the bass know we here. Dang, snatched it too hard. Maybe I'm snatching too hard. Maybe that's the thing. Maybe I'm trying to set the hook like it's a linebacker, and it's not. Oh, well, it wins. It took it off anyway. If I hit right here or over there, I'm gonna catch one. So I'm gonna go over here first. It's about where I want it for a bass. I seen somebody come to it. Go ahead and eat that worm. Maybe that's not close enough to him, or maybe it's too high to this. Sir, that's a good foot. I'll give it that. Oh, snap, I see a big bass in the corner over here. I'm finna try to entice her. A big bass going to it. think it swam away, but I do see a lot of little bass, and we finna go get one. This is the weirdest thing. Eggs. But I don't know where the nest came from. That's, I don't want to mess them up. Only one look like it's broken. The rest just look like good old eggs. Yeah, they ain't broken in that. Calm your little down. Another little guy. I don't know if this 4 or 5 during power hour. Another one though. Come here, dude. Yeah, y'all can see my fishing angle thing. I'm on a little cliff. I seen him right there. I had a big bite right here, and it took everything. So I'm just gonna plop that thing. Right here. On the other side of that branch, so I can't get caught this time. Gotcha. Come here. I knew something was doing it. But I want your brother. Bruh, can you stop, bruh? I don't want you. I want your brother. I don't know why they pulling so hard over here. These boys about that. They been eating their Wheaties. Don't tell me I found the honey hole. And I did. Take it. Come on. Oh, I thought I had you. I want whatever big was right here. No, I'm not gonna let you play with it. I want whatever was big that was right here. All right, now I see that's where the first place you like to run. All right, now I'm finna stop playing with you. Let's see how far you take this. Good, perfect, cool. It's in your mouth now. Oh, you are so lucky, friend. Keep them rolling, Jack. How are these little fish even biting this big ass hook? Why? Look at this, y'all. Come on. Son, that ain't even, come on, son. Come on, son. I'm catching y'all on 2 dead worms. Like I said, they got some fight in them over here, though. And we're off the hook. Let's go try a different spot, guys. See what these last couple worms, can we get a little bass? Give them to me. I don't even know, guys. This has been a good power hour. Well, set free, baby. Let's get some more worms on there, because those look poor. I wanted it out a little bit further. Leave me alone. That's where I want it. taking these last couple worms to my spot. Boom, and there you got it, man. That's Power Hour. Yo, 2 bass, which on record now. I know last video says the world's smallest bass, but this is now the new world's smallest bass. That's crazy. That's crazy. World's smallest bass. No cap. I don't even think bro's the size of my finger. No kidding. Then we caught 2 bass, 1 small one about the size of my hand. Caught a plethora of bluegill. A plethora of bluegill. Okay. So yeah, man, that was a good Power Hour. Y'all leave a comment down below and let me know if that was a decent Power Hour and if I need to do more Power Hours for fishing. I think today we caught a total of 7 fish. My camera died. That's why I'm wearing something different. I done been home, took a shower and all that. Came back out to get some essentials. But yeah, man. Let me know down in the comments if y'all want to see more Power Hour fishing. Okay, now let y'all know it ain't be guaranteed to catch a fish every time. You feel me? And I ain't guaranteed. You feel me? But y'all see that boy be snagging. I ain't even finna count no Kenanine when the boy be snagging, twin. But y'all already know what it is. TD No Good on all social media platforms. Tell your mama, your papa, your bald head granny, man. So you got something coming with everybody, man. Y'all already know. All 2025 we going up. 3.5K, 3.6 next, 10K next. Y'all already know, man. Stay tuned. Till next time. Oh!